In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can start your own faceless YouTube channel without showing your face and without using your voice, just by using free AI tools. Okay, so let's get started. So after some research, I found this faceless YouTube channel that has almost 1 million subscribers and uploading 45 videos, as you can see over here, and those videos getting million of views, as you can see. And this channel is in finance niche. So let me show you how much this channel is making per month. So if you go to this website, socialblade.com, this website will give you estimated earning of every YouTube channel that you want. As you can see, it's the same channel over here with almost 1 million subscribers. And if we scroll down, this channel got 3 million views in the last 13 days, and it made like up to $12,000. It's really a lot of money per month. This is the estimated yearly earning, and this channel is making more because I'm in YouTube and I'm doing YouTube for over 1 year. So I'm sure this channel can make like up to $20,000 per month. Okay, as you can see, this is the estimated daily earning for this channel over here. So let's go back to this channel. So into this video, I'm gonna show you how you can make like those videos step by step. Okay, without investing any money, you can make like those videos just using AI websites. Okay, if we click over here on the, as you can see, this channel got 3 million views in the last 13 days, and it's in finance niche. So this channel is making a lot of money every single month. Okay, so for example, let's make, for example, like this video over here. Okay, how to invest for beginners, 3 simple rules. So let me show you how much this one video has made for this channel. If we click on copy, you can go to Google and you can use this website. Okay, this website will give you an estimated how much this channel has, estimated total earning by video. So you just need to put the video link here like this, and you just need to click on the search. And as you can see, this video got 3 million views and has made almost $6,000. Okay, that's really a lot of money just for one video. Okay, and as you can see over here, this channel has a lot of videos that got 3 million views. This one 3 this one 3 million, this one 3 million. And well, why I prefer YouTube, because as you can see, you upload a YouTube video. This video, for example, as you can see, was uploaded 1 year ago and it's still making money because it's still getting views. Okay, this is the number of views per hour this video is still getting. That's why you should start your own faceless YouTube channel. It will be a profitable business for you, and you can start for free. You don't need to invest any money. You just need to invest your time to make those videos, and that's it. Okay, so let's make like this video. Like I said, let's start how to invest for beginners. Okay, so what you need to do first is you need to go to ChatGPT. Okay, if you don't have an account on ChatGPT, go to Google, search for this website. It's easy and it's for free. You can use it for free. I'm using just the free version. Come to ChatGPT here and ask him, make me an engaging YouTube script, okay, about how to invest for beginners. Okay, and I will click over here, and here you go. ChatGPT will start creating your YouTube script like you see. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to turn this script into voiceover. I'm gonna show you how I can do it. So I'm gonna just stop this one. I will stop just this script here just to show you. ChatGPT will give you also a title: Mastering the Art of Investing, Beginner's Guide to Financial Success. It's a great title with keywords. Okay, this is your intro. welcome back. What you need to do is you need to copy this script. Okay, investing. So I'm gonna just copy this part to show you guys like this. So to turn this YouTube script into voiceover, you can go to Google and search for this website. Search for 11 Labs. Okay, you can use this website for free. This website will turn your script into voiceover. So you just need to put your YouTube script here like this. I'm gonna delete this. Like this. Welcome back. Okay, scroll down. Okay, you can also choose over here, you can choose which voiceover you want to use for your YouTube videos. Then scroll down and click on generate.
Welcome back, savvy investors.
Here you go, your YouTube scripts will be turned into voiceover. Let's check.
Welcome back, savvy investors, to our channel where we unlock the secrets to financial prosperity. In today's episode, we have something special for all the beginners out there. We'll be diving into the exciting world of investing and sharing essential tips and tricks that will help.
What you need to do, you just need to click on this icon over here, and your voiceover will be downloaded to your laptop. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to go to Canva. Okay, it's really easy and simple. If you don't have an account on Canva, go to Google, search for Canva, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process to Canva is super easy and simple, and it's for free. Okay, so this will be your home page. Just click over here on video. Okay, this will be your home page. Click on video. You will be directly in this page over here, and what you need to do now is you need to upload your voiceover to your Canva account. So click over here on upload. Okay, click on upload file, and upload your voiceover. Okay, so this is my voiceover. You will click on open, and your voiceover will be over here. So click on your voiceover. Your voiceover will be in this page over here, as you can see. So what you need to do is you need to click on add page. Okay, and add more page that will be matched with your voiceover. Okay, like this. Okay, then what you need to do now is you need to go to the first page. Okay, go to the first page. Let me check.
Welcome back, savvy investors.
Okay, what you need to do is you need to click over here on elements and click on the search and search for hello. Click on videos, and you will find a lot of videos here about random people saying hello that we can use in the first of our video. I'm gonna choose, for example, this one. I'm gonna just click on the video that you want. The video will be over here. Click on this 3 points, set the video as background, make it short like this. Let me see.
Welcome back, savvy investors, to our channel where we unlock the secrets to.
Okay, what you need to do, click on the next page, go to the search over here, just keep clicking on elements, go to the search, delete this and search for investing or investment, or I'm gonna search for investing. Click on videos. Okay, here you go. You will find a lot of videos here about investing. I'm gonna use this one, for example. So just click on the video that you want to use. Your video will be over here again. Click on this 3 points, set the video as background, make it short, click on the next page, and add more videos about investing, because this video is just about investing. So to make your video more engaging and professional, click on the next page, add videos about investing like this. Okay, click on the next page, scroll down, add this one over here about investing. Okay, so to make the video short, click over here and scroll like this. So you can control it from here. You can make it long or short. So you need to make it short so you can add more videos to make this video more more engaging for your viewers. Okay, I will use this one over here like this. So as you can see, it's really easy and simple to make like those videos. It will just take few minutes from your time to make like those videos. Okay, I'm gonna use this one over here, make it short. Okay, next page, scroll down, you will use this one over here. Okay, next page, scroll down, I will use this one over here, invest. Add more page so you can make your footage videos matched with your voiceover. Okay, click on the next page, scroll down, just keep scrolling down, you will find a lot of videos here about investing for beginners. Okay, about investment, you can search for investment, you can search for business, you can search for money and add any videos related to money. Okay, let's scroll down and use this one over here. Okay, I'm gonna make it short like this. Okay, so after adding all your videos like this, go to the first page, click between those two pages, click on add transition and add transition between your videos to make them more engaging. Okay, choose which transition you want to add. I'm gonna adjust this one over here, make it like this to 0.3, click on apply between all page. There you go, your video is ready. Let's check this video now about investing.
Welcome back, savvy investors, to our channel where we unlock the secrets to financial prosperity. In today's episode, we have something special for all the beginners out there. We'll be diving into the exciting world of investing and sharing essential tips and tricks that will help you kickstart your investment journey. So, grab a pen and paper and let's get started. Investing may seem daunting, but fear not. We're here to demystify the process and empower you to make informed financial decisions. Remember,
and as you can see guys, we just made Faceless YouTube video about how to invest for beginners just using AI and Canva. So let's check this video. Let me know in the comments guys, what's your opinion about this video? What do you think? Is it a good video? Or for me, in my opinion, it's a really good video as beginner that you can start uploading to your YouTube channel. If you don't have money to invest in freelancers like a video editor, you need video editor, you need voiceover, you need a script writer, and you need YouTube SEO services. So if you don't have money, you can just use this method. As you can see,
welcome back, savvy investors, to our channel where we unlock the secrets to financial prosperity. In today's episode, we have something special for all the beginners out there. We'll be diving into the exciting world of investing and sharing essential tips and tricks that will help you kickstart your investment journey. So, grab a pen and paper and let's get started. Investing may seem daunting, but fear not. We're here to demystify the process and empower you to make informed financial decisions. Remember, the key to successful...
As you can see, it's a really great, for me it's a good video about how to invest for beginners. So you can just keep using this method that I show you, and you can edit your video to make it long. After you finish, click over here on share, click on download this YouTube video, go to your YouTube channel and start uploading like those videos like this channel over here is doing. As you can see, this channel is making a lot of money. This channel got 3 million views in the last 13 days, and it's making a lot of money every single month. Okay, so why not? You can just make at least $1,000 per month. It's extra money for you. That, and of course it will keep growing. If you keep uploading more videos, your channel will keep growing and will keep making for you more money. The more views you are getting, the more money you will make. Okay, so I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, and see you in my next video. If you want to start with any niche, just comment. Okay, leave the name of this niche in the comments, and I will show you step by step how you can start with this niche. I can make any type of faceless YouTube videos. Okay, just leave it in the comments, and if there are a lot of people who are interested, I will make a video about this.